Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we will see how many Telangana State students have got allotment through All India Quota Counselling conducted by MCC. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. If you need expert guidance to get best medical college within your budget, contact Admission Helpline. Telangana State candidates got 79 MBBS seats from All India Institute of Medical Sciences during round 1 allotment. They took 9 seats from JIPMER and 73 seats from Telangana government medical colleges. From other states, Telangana students took 77 seats. 10 Telangana students picked Gandhi Medical College, 19 picked Osmania Medical College, and 26 picked ESI Medical College in spite of 1 lakh per year tuition fees and 1 year bond. 16 candidates picked Kakatiya Medical College. Most of these candidates who got All India Quota allotment in top Telangana government medical colleges are going to join these seats. This will create vacancies during second round Telangana counselling. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Contact Admission Helpline if you need expert guidance. See you in the next video.